Hey guys, got some alligator turbo, kind of a funny name, brake pads for the Sur Ron. Engineered in Germany, designed in Italy. Pretty cool looking. Pad doesn't look crazy thick, but they're not really that thick on these bikes anyway for the Sur Ron. So for the fronts, I think we're gonna have to modify one of those fins to get it to fit, but we'll check it out. So one thing I like about these pads is you can kind of just put them in here like so, and they don't fall through because of the heatsink on the top. So just kind of fit in there. Now they have this fin right here, which I wouldn't mind it going in. See, there's a little bit of the pad that's not, it's like it's not going down far enough. So I think I'm going to have to trim that last fin right there, and then that should allow it to go all the way in. And I think that's what the only issue is on these pads. So I'm going to attempt that. Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand. See, I got the clip sandwiched in there, and just kind of push it together. Again, very difficult with one hand, but you can do it, no problem. And the clip is in position. Now, if everything's right, you should just be able to put the pin through. Okay, now that the clip is in, just put the pin. You might have to jiggle it a little bit. And then just tighten it down and put your clip on the end. Tighten that up. Of course, you might want to put some blue Loctite on it. I will actually go get some of that and do that after I just get done showing you guys how to do this. So you don't need to put a crazy amount of pressure on this when you're tightening up. You don't want to strip this. So just go just a little tiny bit. And like I said, blue Loctite. And then you're going to want to put this clip back in position on the rear on that pin. It's kind of tough to do when you're right-handed. Okay, and there it is. Sometimes that little clip gets bent. You might have to use a pair of needle nose pliers to kind of squeeze the clip so it will stick. And that's it. Hopefully these heat sinks will help a little bit, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. But that's how to use some of these brake pads that have the heat sinks that may not necessarily completely fit. It's super easy. It was like I said, less than a 5-minute job to modify them and get them installed. All right, cheers guys.